Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video I'm going to talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing, a topic that sometimes people don't understand completely. However, it's been the reason I've been able to live completely from my laptop and an internet connection and travel the world. So this video is going to be pretty important. I'm going to bring up some important topics and also talk about some of the top high affiliate programs out there, okay? So go ahead and stay tuned for this video. Alright, welcome back to this video everybody. My name is Marissa Romero once again, and if you're new to the channel, what you can expect here on this channel is all things online marketing, digital marketing, and how to build an online business, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. I think there's something on this channel for everybody. I talk about sales funnels, choosing profitable products, email marketing, really answering all the questions that you guys could have. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And also lately, I've been doing some pretty cool self-growth travel videos and also kind of behind the scenes / lifestyle videos of my business. So those are up and coming, and you want to hit the notification bell because I'm posting very consistently and trying to provide the top-notch value for you guys. So if you guys are excited about today's topic, go ahead and smash that like button and give this video a thumbs up. And in the comments, if you've heard of high-ticket affiliate marketing, please comment high-ticket in the comments, as I'm just trying to get a feel for those people who know about it and maybe need a little bit more explanation. But to begin in this video, what high-ticket affiliate marketing means is basically promoting products that are high-ticket, which means yes, their products or services are more costly. It's anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $20,000 to purchase a product. Now, the way it works is you purchase the product yourself, typically in a program or with a company that you're partnering with as an affiliate. And once you buy and purchase the product yourself, use it and experience it, you're able to promote the product and receive a handsome commission from that product. So for example, if you purchase a product that's, let's say, $5,000 and you sell it and you're able to make a 40% commission, that's a pretty nice chunk of change. And so the reason I wanted to come and talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing is because it is very important for you, no matter what niche, to have in your business and to promote. Whether we're talking about affiliate marketing, but of course if you're having your own digital products and services, you always want to have a high-ticket product, because that is the reason I'm right now in beautiful Medellin, Colombia. I'm able to travel the world. I just was able, you can't see the whole condo, but I was able to rent out this high-rise luxury condo in the middle of the city, and this definitely wouldn't have been possible if I was not promoting high-ticket products. So it is essential to your business, whatever niche you're in. And so yes, I am in the online business, make money online niche. So I have a program that I promote, and I'm going to talk about that program at the end. But first, I wanted to mention two programs, notable programs that are high ticket right now. And the first one is called Super Affiliate Network. Now, if I wasn't promoting the program that I was promoting right now, I would probably join and promote Super Affiliate Network. I know some of the affiliates in that program who are crushing it, and they are great affiliates. The owner of Super Affiliate Network has a lot of integrity, and in the beginning he wanted to make sure that his company was very FTC compliant and they were following the rules and making sure that people weren't just buying into this program and wanting to sell commissions just to make some change. Like, he wanted to make sure that these products offered a ton of value, and the people were receiving the value that they were putting in to this program, for the digital courses and everything. So to start the Super Affiliate Network, I think it's $1 to try. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know that there's like 3 phases that you go to, and you can test out for $1, and there's 3 phases, and they each have a certain amount of modules, and it goes through starting a business, growing it, and then scaling it. And I've heard that it's great. Of course, I'm not affiliated with affiliated with Super Affiliate Network, but I've heard really good things, and the sales funnels and the products are high converting, so I do recommend Super Affiliate Network if it was something you were considering. Super Affiliate Network also has higher level products and services, and those are in the form of mastermind. So mastermind is the entrepreneurial word for conference, where you go and attend and you network with other entrepreneurs and like-minded people, and it's really a nice personal touch because you get that hand-holding experience. And I think that I've heard good things about their masterminds, and so yes, they are credible digital products and live mastermind products. The other high-ticket affiliate marketing program is called Finish Line Network, and I haven't done an official review on it. What I've found out from asking fellow affiliates and just doing other research on YouTube is that Finish Line Network their commission structure isn't that great. Yes, it's high ticket, but it's geared towards more so those affiliates that have huge followings. And for somebody that's getting started and is newer to affiliate marketing, the commissions up front aren't that great, and also their products are kind of like rehashed. So it's kind of like, they had existing products in the past and they kind of repackaged them, rebranded them, and made them, newer products. So that's something that I really don't like myself. I'd prefer that a company get creative and innovative and come up with newer, better products and brand new content. I think the one good thing about them is that they have live web events where you can get on live and learn about the online marketing and affiliate marketing techniques for growing your business. So that's a good thing. But overall, I haven't heard great things about that company, and I would probably say that would be your least favorable option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my computer and show you guys the back office of Legendary Marketer, which is a program I highly recommend, which is going through a lot of great new changes, and that I've been able to do $18,000 with in complete profit, complete revenue in the past few months. And so, results aren't typical, but I'm going to hop on my computer and show you guys my income proof and talk about some of the products and what's up and coming with Legendary Marketer. All right. So, welcome to my computer, and just wanted to show you the screenshot of my commissions in my back office. As you can see, today I had a $36 day. Yesterday was $72, but the other day I had it was about an $800 day. As you can see, like right here, October 19th, I made $720 from one sale. But I've been promoting this for a few months, and again, results aren't typical. It takes hard work, it takes dedication, it takes building your brand, it takes giving value every day, setting up your sales funnels, email marketing. But what I can say is I really admire Dave Sharp, who is the owner, CEO, founder of Legendary Marketer. There's so many affiliates in this space that got started online before I did and worked with Dave in a company called Empower Network, and that company, literally, I hear glowing compliments from all affiliates that it changed their lives for the better. And that basically Dave Sharp was the co-owner of Empower Network, and I know that he operates his businesses with integrity and of course makes sure he's compliant with the FTC, and the products are of high value. Now what the products look like is, right now, you get step-by-step training with a coach, and that's one thing I love about it. The coaches help you through the first 15 steps of this business. Now, one thing to mention is there is going to be something with Legendary Marketer, a remodel per se, where it's going to be called Legendary Marketer 3.0, and one of the main differences is with these course steps, there's going to be steps, but it's going to be actually a 15-day challenge. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's still going to be informational, but there's going to be more videos with Dave Sharp in these first 15 steps, and it's going to be pretty cool. So Marketers Club is the front end lower ticket product, and that product is $30 a month to access all this information. And each module, each training has, you can see the amount of minutes, the amount of modules, hours and hours worth of stuff. So that is $30 a month, and you can receive commissions on that as well. I think it's a $18 or $19 commission for selling Marketers Club. Now, Builder and Leader are your first high ticket affiliate marketing courses. Now, these are changing as well because Builder, Dave Sharp has built his business. He's an amazing storyteller. The guy is able to teach you how to take your story and sell it and tell it and turn it into a multi-million-dollar story. That's how he's operated his business. He's an amazing storyteller. With Builder and Leader, these classes teach this and other online marketing foundational things that you need to know. However, Builder itself is going to be actually now 4 courses. And I don't want to get too much into this because I don't want this video to be too long, but I wrote down what these courses are going to be, and they're going to include topics like the first course is going to be on affiliate marketing, the business blueprint. And the second one is going to be about digital products, so how to create and sell your own digital products. The third one's going to be about coaching and consulting. And the fourth one's going to be about events and masterminds. So I'm super excited about this because some people don't just want to do affiliate marketing. They want to get into consulting and coaching and having their own products, which is amazing because I've done all 4 except for the fourth, and that is the masterminds. I haven't held my own live mastermind event, but I plan to one day. But the point is, Builder and Leader, or Builder's going to have these 4 courses. I cannot wait. You guys are going to want to hop on because these courses are, I don't know what the price points are going to be yet, but they're going to be over $2,000. So if you buy into them and sell them, you'll be able to earn your money back within pretty much 2 sales, I believe. So it's pretty sweet deal. Also, there's live events, and these you actually need to buy into. There's marketer and entrepreneur and lifestyle, and those masterminds you buy into, and those are, I'm not gonna lie, those are going to be a little more expensive. Those are for people that are serious about taking their networking and business to the next level. But with these masterminds, you're able to make up to a $13K commission. So that is pretty insane. Pretty excited about it. But anyway, guys, don't want to take up too much of your time. If you guys are interested in trying out Legendary Marketer and joining through me, of course, you do get some bonuses. You get access to my private Facebook group, which gives you virtual mentorship with me. Also, my Tube Traffic Domination course, which basically teaches how I'm able to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing through YouTube. If you guys do join, I'd be happy to grant you guys those bonuses. You can join in the first link below in the description. It has all the information. All right, guys, I hope this was extremely helpful and cleared up some things about high-ticket affiliate marketing. You guys have been awesome, and I will see you on the next video, so take care.